Hey, good morning, Math 7 students. Today you only have one Khan Academy today. It's called Multiplying and Dividing Negative Numbers Word Problems. Here's the deal. Usually we see the word problems and we start to get a little panic. These are not tough word problems, guys. You can do this. This is something you can certainly do. All right, I'm starting right up here. 3 years ago, the residents of planet X found a black hole leading to another galaxy. Since then, they have been leaving the planet at a rate of 120 residents per year. So 120 people leave per year. And they've been doing this for 3 years. So they have an equation right here that describes it, where they have 120 people over 3 years have left for a total of 360 people. So what does 360 tell us? Well, you have to choose the answer. At this point, I think you're going to see, hey, this isn't very tough. Is it A, a total of 360 people have left the planet in the last 3 years? Is it B, 360 people left the planet each year, or none of the above? Well, I think we would agree if 120 left each year, after 3 years, 360 people in all have left, that it would be letter A, a total of 300 people have left planet X in the last 3 years. I think you are all going, well, that's pretty easy. Yeah. Here's another type of problem that I'll give you. A town uses positive numbers to track the increased population and negative numbers to track a decrease in population. Okay, the population has decreased by 500 residents over the past 5 years. That means over a 5 year period, 500 or 300 people have left a city or the population. And I wonder, what is the change each year? I mean, how many people on average are leaving each year if 300 people over 5 years left? Well, we can do that by simply taking 300 decrease, which is a negative 300, divide that by the 5 years, and we get 60 people per year have left each year, which becomes our answer right there. Hey, not a very difficult con today, guys. You've got this. We have a quiz on the next day, and that's all I got for you today. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.